Hey guys, we're Rooftop, and in today's video we're going to show you how to get that perfect caulking bead. Hey guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below and hit the notification bell. And if you're back for another video, we thank you guys for joining us. So we are up on the rooftop, and I'm checking some of the caulking seals, and there's one that looks a little suspect. It's going to take probably 10 minutes and we're going to get this done. You ever want to wonder how the factory gets these beads so perfectly? Well, first off, they've been doing it like all day for a long time, so they're really good at it. But I'm going to show you an easy method that you will be able to caulk just like the pros do. So what are you going to need to do this job, okay? This stuff, we use this in other videos. It's called Prep All, and what this will do, this will remove any old caulk, okay? Makes it very easy. You could also use mineral spirits. Second thing, this is Dow Industries silicone. This is actually what Newmar uses from the factory, I call them. So this is what I will be replacing the silicone with. You're gonna need a caulk gun, okay? These little tools, they're by a company called Pro Caulk. This is to cut up and lift any old caulk, okay? Scraper, it's plastic so it won't damage the paint. And then you have some different edging tools. And depending on how big my bead is, I'm gonna use the appropriate edging tool. Finally, I'm gonna have just some masking tape, and we're gonna use this to protect the paint so we don't get any over caulking on the paint. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the area that's a little bit in question, and it's kind of hard to see on camera. Right over here in this area, it's looking a little weird, and it's actually not filled in evenly with the top here. So listen, I'm a guy that takes precaution with stuff like this. I don't want water coming in here, so we're gonna fix this. All right, so let's go right into it. I'm gonna use the edge here, right? I'm gonna rough this up a little. Okay, I'm gonna cut out whatever I need to cut out. You see how easy that makes it? Get out anything that's in the edge there. That way, when I put the new caulking down, it's going to fill it in nicely. It's not going to grab onto any old, potentially damaged caulking. All right, guys, so I peeled up, cut out that old caulking. This is a little bit of the Prep All on a microfiber towel. So I'm just going to get in there and try to get off anything that may remain. You want this nice and clean so that new caulking silicone grabs well in there, okay? So I'm just going to continue getting this stuff out, and it'll be ready and prepped for the new caulking. Okay, so you can see we have everything cleaned out here. You see the big void where the stock caulk is, silicone, where the new stuff's going to be. Everything's taped off. Guys, you just want to get the caulk on, you know, cut the top, get the bead going. You could see it's right there. And then with the Pro Caulk, we're going to actually probably use the number 5 edge. Looks like it's going to be the one to finish off that bead really nice. So simple stuff, guys. You're going to start on the bottom or on the top, however you want it. Okay, get the flow in there. Squeeze, bring it up. All right. Work it through. With the number 5 edge, we're going to come and just bring it up. And this will make it come in nice and even. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to let this stuff, you know, clean it up nice. Let it dry a little bit, and then we'll pull the tape off, and this will be nice and clean. All right, guys, so once you get that cleaned up with the appropriate edging, which for us again was the number 5, you're just going to wipe off any of the excess silicone. Let it set there for maybe 3-4 minutes, and then pull the masking tape off, and then you can just go with a little bit, again, microfiber towel, just down the edge if anything gets out, and that's it. You can see what the results are. Super easy job, guys. Don't pay somebody to do this. This is probably about $8, and this will last you many times. Just a little advice, right? They sell these caps here. These are like caulk saving caps, and you put them over. It allows you to use this at a later date, because I barely used any. Put it over nice and tight, and doesn't let air get in, and we'll keep this ready to go for the next time. So if you like the video and you know somebody that's looking to like redo their seals and caulk, feel free to share this with them. And if you have a method that you use for caulking, leave it in the comments below. To my left, I'm going to post our RV DIYs as well as our RV essential upgrades. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.